Hey there, foodies, get ready to elevate your cooking game as we embark on a journey into the realm of precision with our ultimate guide to the best sous vide cookers. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, we've got all the insights you need. Join us as we dissect top-notch sous vide cookers, unveiling their features and performance, so you can make the perfect choice for sous vide perfection. Let the culinary adventure begin. Let's get cooking. Number 1. Innova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker Nano. If you're not in need of a full-sized sous vide machine, consider opting for a more compact device like the Innova Culinary Precision Cooker Nano. This sous vide marvel ensures super stable temperatures for extended cooking times. While it may not circulate as swiftly as some larger models, its simplicity and intuitive design, coupled with outstanding temperature control, make it stand out. Explore the Innova Culinary app for smart features and a plethora of recipes, both pre-programmed and customizable for future meals. The Innova Nano's smaller heating unit, though less powerful than larger counterparts, may take a bit longer to reach temperature initially and recover after adding food. If you're working within a slightly tighter budget but still crave premium sous vide performance, this unit is an excellent choice. Just be prepared to exercise some patience and preheat your water. For those with a need for speed, consider the Kitchen Boss G320 for rapid heat times and exceptional circulation, all at an unbeatable price. Number 2. Innova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker. Innova stands as a household name in the realm of home sous vide cooking, and their enduring immersion cooker boasts unparalleled temperature precision in a convenient stick-style design that easily stows away in a cabinet or drawer, with a versatile clamp that securely attaches to the side of various containers. Be it a stockpot, large bowl, or plastic tub, you can create a complete sous vide setup wherever and whenever it suits you. This intuitive machine handles all the work automatically, circulating water and maintaining the precise temperature and duration necessary for achieving your desired results. Imagine prepping in the morning by adding food, water, and ice to the container, letting the Innova kick off the cooking process at the optimal time for a perfectly timed dinner upon your return. Our exploration also led us to the Innova Precision Cooker Nano, a sleek and compact alternative. While it takes a bit of time to reach temperature, the heat control is just as remarkable as its larger counterpart. With a straightforward design and a slightly smaller price tag, it's an excellent choice for those seeking precision without compromising simplicity. Pros: precise temperature control, manual, Bluetooth, or Wi-Fi controls, can attach to any vessel, connects to smartphones via the app. Cons: bulky for its power. Number 3. Breville CS10001 Stainless Steel Joule Sous Vide. Pairing the Breville Joule Sous Vide with your Android or iOS device via the Joule app is essential for seamless control. If the technological aspect doesn't deter you, the benefits of this tool are manifold. The Joule excels in precision and accuracy, standing out as one of the lightest immersion circulators in our trials. Despite the absence of physical buttons, the sous vide machine boasts a minimalist, sleek, and quiet design. Embracing a forward-thinking approach, the Joule incorporates an industrial-strength magnet for added security, ensuring firm attachment to most magnetic, steel-plated containers accommodating up to 10 gallons of water. Its swift performance guarantees your food stays at the exact temperature of your choice. For an engaging and unique culinary experience, sync your Joule with Amazon Alexa to enable voice control. The magnetic base and versatile clip are standout features, allowing easy attachment to nearly any container or saucepan. Despite its lightweight build, this intelligent sous vide packs a punch with 1,100 watts of power, efficiently and swiftly heating the water. Key features: Wi-Fi and Bluetooth ready. Works with Amazon Alexa, durable stainless steel cap and base, visual doneness and chef-tested recipes. Number 4. Inkbird ISV100W Sous Vide Precision Cooker. Venturing into sous vide cooking typically demands specialized equipment, but for those seeking an initial foray without a substantial investment, the Inkbird proves to be an excellent choice. This immersion circulator-style device easily clips onto any container, boasting the capacity to heat up to 4 gallons of water and food to boiling. Despite its compact size, it houses a powerful 1,000 watts, delivering precision and temperature maintenance comparable to more expensive models. However, it's worth noting that the Inkbird does take a considerable amount of time to reach the desired temperature, necessitating careful planning for your culinary endeavors. One caveat is that the Inkbird may pose a slight challenge during the setup phase compared to some other machines, requiring a bit of extra time to familiarize yourself with its operation. Additionally, the digital display features buttons that are less sensitive than the touchscreens found in more upscale models. Nevertheless, considering its price point, the Inkbird stands out as an incredible value for the money. Number 5. Greater Goods Kitchen Sous Vide Cooker. The Greater Goods Precision Cooker stands out as an exceptionally user-friendly option, all while being budget-friendly, featuring a generously sized LCD screen that remains easily readable even from a distance. This sous vide unit offers convenience at an unbeatable price point. The smoothly spinning large dial, governing cook time and temperature adjustments, ensures effortless control. Efficient circulation contributes to rapid heating and respectable recovery times. The robust and reliable large screw clamp allows easy attachment to a variety of containers, including tubs, Tupperware, or pots, and its sleek design earns it approval from onlookers, while the greater goods exhibits a slightly less precise temperature compared to other top-performing models. The margin of error remains minimal, falling below 1 degree. A minor inconvenience lies in the requirement for the unit to be running to set the time and temperature, but this does not impact the final outcome of your culinary creations. For those in search of a super quiet and budget-friendly sous vide, the greater goods emerges as a prime choice. Pros: user-friendly interface, nice large dial, easy-to-read LCD screen, great circulation. Cons: device must be running to select cook time.